Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another TARMAC cards video, and in today's video we will be checking out this brand new set which just released over at TARMAC Works website, as well as of course at the previously at the event over at Tokyo Auto Saloon, Hong Kong. And this is a brand new set that just launched. It is in fact a brand new release, the RWB collection volume 1 that I just ordered and arrived. This is from the hobby box, by the way, so it comes in 30 cards in total. There will be 5 cards per pack and 6 packs per box, which is quite a lot. There's also the autograph card of the founder of RWB, Akira Nakai-san. And yeah, without taking out the, what do you call this, the seal, it's a bit hard to read, so we shall open up the seal first so that you guys can easily read. Hold on, might need some time to open this first. First box I'm opening of RWB collection. Never opened it. All this while I've been opening up Top Secret, Liberty Walk, the RWB Event Special Volume 1. So I never really got the chance to open up this one yet. So let's take a look at the box. So here's the box, very nice, Rotana and the Artois, Stella Artois. So over on the side there are some parallels we need to know about: silver, cracked ice, lavender, tie-dye, gold, black. There is also the secret rare SSP short print card, the color splash parallel. There are 6 parallels per box on average. So there are 48 plus card designs and rare parallels. So you need 2 boxes at least to get a full set. And introducing the die cut cards. This is something that's new, introduced by TARMAC Works and Mr. Felix Kwong. It is a die cut card shaped like a Porsche logo. And this is the back with Akira Nakai highlights highlighted right there. There is the back of the box. You can pause to read. And yeah, that is all for the back. That's the top. That's the bottom. So yeah, the box opens up towards the side like this, just like Top Secret was, the Top Secret capsule. So today we are going to open up 6 packs of RWB collection. You might never know what we'll get. Let's hope for the best. It's RWB collection volume 1. Let's go ahead and open this up. Of course, R57 and TARMAC Cards Malaysia. So let's go ahead and open up our first pack. Will we get any pack magic here? Hold on. I need to get used to. Oh, there you go. Opening up RWB for the very first time. Collection. Let's start. We have the Raw Passion. That is really nice. So they increased the quality of the cards. You can see that they have some more texture now, which is nice. So this is the Raw Passion. Next up we have the Red Liner Parallel. This is of course not new, but quite a return. This is the Rotana card. Really nice red liner. And what do we have behind it? Lover's Rough. That is really nice. A gray colored rough rhythm, or the Porsche. Over behind it we have the RWB Rotana, and I believe this is a silver parallel. Yes, it is a silver parallel rough Rotana, rough rhythm. And then the RWB TBC. That is so nice. Really like it. So that's the rough TBC. That's our first pack. On to our second pack, guys. Let's see what we will pull on our second pack. Will we be lucky? So we have the RWB Rotana versus Stella Artois card, which is really nice. Love that. Behind it, we have the same RWB Rotana Redliner. This is a, of course, a duplicate. Very nice. RWB Work Car. That is also really nice. Oh, what is behind it? I see a short print SSP. We have the RWB Hooters. That is so nice. We have the SSP non-serialized card right here in the color splash purple. That is nice. So that's our first pull. That is the first pull. And right behind it we have the Yes Piaget. I think that's how you call it. But we got an SSP on our second pack. Really good. Nice pull. That is so nice. I love the purple splash that they used. Really nice card to have right here. The RWB Hooters. That is nice. Right there. Goes over there. On to our third pack of RWB. See some third pack right here. Raw Passion. Oh, hold on. Raw Passion from the back. We got a silver die cut card. Nice. So this is what the die cut card looks like. This is the silver parallel of the Rough Rhythm. Right there. That is so nice. It's shaped like a Porsche logo. It's really unique. I'm loving this. Really nice. A nice silver parallel. Then we have the RWB Adriana. Before that, let's pull the last card first. This is the RWB TBC. I think we pulled this. RWB Adriana. And right behind it, I see something. We have a Cracked Ice Parallel Lover's Rough. That is nice. What is the number? We got number 123. 123 out of 149. That is so nice. A number 123. Let me sleeve it up. So we got a number 123 out of 149. That is a nice number indeed. Never expected to pull a 123. I've never pulled one, so that's cool. That was our third pack, right? Yeah, third pack. This is what, our fourth pack? Fourth pack. Raw Passion on this one. Really cool one. Right behind it we have another die cut. The Rough Rhythm Rotana. This is a regular card, by the way. This is the die cut. Shaped like a Porsche logo, which is very cool. RWB Rotana. We have the Rough Soul over here. And then let's pull the very last card first. We have the Yes Piaget. I think that's how you call it. There is the card. Really nice. Yes Piaget, I think. Rough Soul. Really nice one as well. And right behind it, ooh, we got a Lavender parallel of the RWB TBC. Number 62? Yeah, number 62 out of 99. This is the RWB TBC. That is so nice. That is in fact a very good one indeed. So we'll sleeve it up. Hold on. RWB TBC. That is nice. That is our fourth pack. Now we're moving on to our fifth pack. Sorry. Fifth pack. Let's see. RWB Southern Cross. That is the original Southern Cross. before it got the RWB treatment, I think, a bit. Yeah. Then we got the red liner of the Rough Rhythm. That is also really nice. RWB Amsterdam. That is nice. I like that. Pull the rear card first. The Yes Piaget again. RWB Amsterdam, and right behind that we got another cracked ice of the RWB Adriana. That is nice. Number 17 out of 149. That is so nice. The the RWB Adriana. That is really nice. So we got quite a lot of pulls so far, including the the color splash. In fact, if I pull another one, I need to get another standee, but still, I think that yeah, this is our last pack. Don't know what we'll pull, but still last pack magic as usual, guys. Let's see what we're gonna pull. So yeah, oops, RWB Raw Passion on the front. Right behind it we have the die cut card of the RWB Rotana. Die cut, really cool. Rotana die cut. And then we have the RWB Work Car. Pull the second last. Oh, we have the RWB Fuel Fest Tokyo. Nice. RWB Work Car, and the last card is a silver. Yeah, silver parallel Raw Passion. And there's the back. Really good one. There you have it. That is our pulls. We got the Hooters color splash in the previous one. RWB Adriana. We got the, let's put it there, the Lovers Rough cracked ice, and the RWB TBC in the lavender. So technically 4 hits, which yeah, I'll take it. Really good one. Nice box, nevertheless. We got very good cards. I love the Hooters, very nice card indeed. I love the color splash. Never got another color splash other than the Akira Nakai one before. And the Lover's Rough, I really do like that one. That is so nice. It highlights the body of the car really much. The RWB TBC, this one is really nice. I love the back view of that car. Looks really clean, and I really do like it. And lastly, the RWB Adriana, that is very nice as well. The numbers of the cards are also really cool. Nevertheless, I really do enjoy this unboxing. Let me know what you think down in the comment section down below regarding this RWB new collection box, volume 1. And once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. And also see you in my other unboxings of TARMAC cards. We'll see if we'll buy another RWB collection box. We'll see. But yeah, there you go. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.